Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to set up a new payment method on your Amazon account on computer. So first, you need to log into your Amazon account. Then you can see now the interface of Amazon.com. Now, go to your account at the upper right corner, and in here, click Account. Then after you click it, go to your Payments, and then click Add a Payment Method. Once you have entered all the necessary payment information, click on the Add Your Payment Method button to complete the process. So that's how to set up a new payment method on your Amazon account on PC. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.